5 professors from China will participate in the workshop on evidence law scholarship and reform in China. They include Professor Baosheng Zhang, Professor Gefei Ji, Professor Zhang, Professor Xu Wang, as well as myself, Thomas Mann. We are going to give 5 presentations covering topics on the judicial reform, as well as current status of China's criminal evidence system, and also on China's civil evidence law system. And also, we are going to talk about the effort by China's Supreme People's Court to set up a body of rules of evidence for application in China courts. The next topic will deal with the forensic examination system as it relates to judicial evidentiary proof in judicial process. The last topic will cover the development of evidence law research in academic setting. All presentations will be given in English language.